Hi. Today, we will see how to load a video into an HTML page and how to forward or backward the video by a few seconds when the user clicks on the right or left side of the video, just like in any modern video player. Let's understand the code. This is the generic HTML code. In the body tag, we have a div tag with the class name video wrapper. Inside this tag, we have a video tag. The ID name is my video. Controls attribute enables play, pause, sound, etc. controls on the video. Normally, when we double-click on a video in a web page, the video goes into full screen mode. We don't want that to happen. So this no full screen attribute stops this behavior. Inside the video tag, we have a source tag. Here we mention the path of our video and its name. Since my video is in the same folder as this HTML file, I just have to write the name of the video here. Then, below the video tag, we have two div tags. In one tag, we show backward-going arrows. And in another tag, we show forward-going arrows. When the user forwards or backward the video, we show these arrows on the screen as confirmation. Before seeing the JavaScript code, let's see the CSS code. In the head tag, we write the style tag, inside which we mention the CSS code. This is the CSS for the body and video tags. Nothing special here. The two arrows, forward and backward, have this class name, seek arrow. Here we mention that their opacity is 0. So by default, the arrows will not be shown on the screen. They will only be shown when the user forwards or backward the video, and that will be handled in the JavaScript part. Also, we mention the animation with which the arrows should be shown on the screen. The left arrow should be 30 pixels away from the left-hand side of the screen. And the right arrow should be 30 pixels away from the right-hand side of the screen. Now, let's see the JavaScript part. In the body tag, at the end, we write the script tag, inside which we write our JavaScript code. First, we access the video by its ID. When the user double-clicks the video, this listener gets called. Here, we check if the user has clicked on the right-hand part of the video or the left-hand part of the video. And accordingly, we forward or backward the video by 10 seconds. Also, we call the show arrow function. While calling it, we pass the name of the arrow, which should be shown on the screen, like left or right. This is the show arrow function. First, we check which side's arrow is to be shown, the right side or the left side. Then, we set that particular arrow's opacity to 1, so that the arrow will be visible to the user. But, after half a second, we set the opacity to 0. So that the arrows become invisible again. Now, let's run this page in a web browser and check. As you can see, the video is running right now. Now, I will double-click on the right-hand side of the video somewhere. Keep your eyes on the time here. See how the time and video get forwarded 10 seconds ahead. Also, we see the forward-going arrows on the screen as confirmation. Now, I will double-click on the left-hand side of the video somewhere. Keep your eyes on the time here. See how the time and video get backed up 10 seconds. Also, we see the backward-going arrows on the screen as confirmation. So that's it. The link to download this code is given in the description box under this video. Thanks for watching.